The Hindu push-up is an excellent variation of the traditional push-up that targets more shoulders as well as helping improve mobility and flexibility. Although the movement is similar to the dive bomber push-up, also known as the judo push-up, the slight difference is during the Hindu push-up, you just simply raise your hips to get back to the starting position. During the dive bomber push-up, you swoop your upper body back through with a push-up during the reversal of the movement. To get started, get into a push-up position with your hands directly below your shoulders, back flat, and feet spread outside hip width. Raise your hips towards the ceiling, keeping your legs straight to form an upside-down V shape, and lower your head so your back and arms form a straight line similar to the downward-facing dog pose. Next, bend your elbows to swoop your upper body forward as your hips lower towards the floor, then raise your chest up with your arms fully extended, similar to a cobra pose. Pause for a moment to feel a good stretch, then press your hands through the floor to raise your hips towards the ceiling to form an upside-down V shape. That's 1 rep. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.